How you doing, everybody? My name is Jonathan Hurtlis, and in this video, and in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to go over the #1 reason why trainers struggle with personal training sales. It's going to be very important that you watch this, and it actually all starts off with you. So let's go over to my diagram, and it's going to start off with you where this represents you from when you first fell in love with fitness. This is young you, before you fell in love with fitness. And you fell in love with fitness for a number of reasons. Based on the research that I've done, it's because either you were a fat kid, or you got involved in sports, or you had some kind of hero like Bruce Lee or Michael Jordan or Muhammad Ali, LeBron James. I don't care, whatever the reason. You had some kind of hero in your life that made you fall in love with fitness. And you fell so in love with fitness, so in love, this is your transformation bridge, that you were willing to spend somewhere between $500 and $800 on a certification so that you can learn more about fitness. All right. So you spend that $500, $800, and then you became a certified trainer. So now this is you with your glasses because you're super smart and you're happy. And we'll give you some muscles right here. 1 and 2. Look at those guns. Now, when you became a certified trainer, you learned a lot of things. You learned the planes of motion. You learned the Krebs cycle. You learned bioenergetics. You learned anatomy. You learned a lot of theory. And you became so equipped as a personal trainer, and you wanted to share this with other people. So now here comes Jane Doe. All right. Jane Doe wants to become more fit. So you take all of your, I call this technobabble. You take all this technobabble and you feed it to Jane Doe. So she started off wanting to become more fit, but you can't get her to sign up for any one of your programs. Now, why is that the case? This technobabble nonsense is stuff that you learned after you fell in love with fitness. You fell in love because of an experience. All right, as either the fat kid with sports or with the hero. Now, Jane Doe is not motivated, perhaps, by sports, but she can be motivated by the hero, which can be you, or more importantly, her ego. Keeping up with the Joneses, being more attractive than all her other friends, feeling better about herself. But you're not selling these two things, which are going to make her fall in love and invest $200 to $500 a month in you. You're focusing still on the psychobabble, and the psychobabble doesn't get the job done. So this is where a lot of trainers are struggling. Now, what do they have to do in order to see more success in the fitness industry? They have to learn how to speak to the client correctly. And the first thing that you can do is eliminate your psychobabble. All right, if you eliminate your psychobabble, that'll make things a lot easier. But trainers still struggle with a lot of other things like the approach, or the system of training, or billing, or training solo, training on their own. But that's a lot more than I can cover in this 5-minute video. I've already covered a very simple sales hack that's going to get you a lot more money. But there are so many more things that will get more clients in front of you, get more clients to train with you, and it'll actually teach you how to ethically and instantly steal clients away from your competition, double or triple your fitness business so that you can be the most successful trainer in your area. And that is with my Dumbbells to Dollars course, which is specifically geared toward teaching you the 3 pillars of success as a fitness professional. And those are training, marketing, and management. You see, a lot of trainers think that they have training covered, but they're using outdated or boring methodologies to try to get people to pay them $200 to $500 a month. So I want to teach you the systems that I've used to become very successful as a trainer myself. Now, it doesn't matter if you have great training tools if you don't know how to get people in front of you. And personal training certifications don't teach you how to market. So the Dumbbells to Dollars course is also going to teach you how to get clients in front of you so that you can use those skills. Now, finally, it doesn't matter if you get people in front of you and use those skills if you don't know how to keep them long term. So I've also included management skills so that you can keep clients long term and make all the money that you want as a fitness professional. And the Dumbbells to Dollars course covers so much more, including coaching, nutrition, buying equipment, getting your own facility, and of course, you're going to have the support of myself and all of the other students in the course with our private Facebook page. So, if you're looking to double or triple your fitness business within the next 12 months and learn how to ethically and instantly steal clients away from your competition and dominate fitness in your area, all you got to do is go to www.dumbbellsdollars.com, and I guarantee you the course is going to take your fitness to the next level. Now, I thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you have any questions or comments, all you got to do is put them in the comment section below. And as always, all you have to do is click on Dumbbells to Dollars to get the course. So that's about it. I'm done with this video. I will see you next week. As long as you remember to eat healthy, hydrate, drive safe. Stress levels low, get rest. Don't slap anybody. Love your clients. They'll love you back. I'll see you all tomorrow or the next day. And you have a good one.